Control number 1583-A, please tell me something about yourself.
Hello, good day to my future employer there in Hong Kong. I am Shirley Trinidad, 33 years old, married with 3 children, age 7, 3, and 1 year and 10 months. I am a college graduate. I took up Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education at Cordillera Career Development College. We are 6 in the family. I have 3 sisters and 2 brothers, all married. For my work experience, I work at Cavite City, Philippines as a housemaid for 4 years from 1994 to 1998. I serve 5 persons in the family, 2 adults and 3 children, age 5, 18, and 19. For my duties in the house, I do ironing clothes, washing clothes, and cook for breakfast sometimes. And I also accompany the child to school and fetch him after school. At 5 p.m., I prepared for myself because I go to school during that time.
Okay? So any other working experience?
I also work at Paul Henry Academy for 4 years. I teach there for 4 years. I teach English, Filipino, and civics. And I also teach in Baguio City for 1 year. I teach Filipino and civics also.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to uplift the financial needs of my family and to build my own house.
Okay, so do you know how to cook Chinese dishes?
Yes, some Chinese dishes like chop suey, but I am willing to learn.
So what are the good characteristics of a good domestic helper?
As a domestic helper, you must be trustworthy, hardworking, and honest, and also you must be open-minded.
What are your other skills you can do inside the house?
I do cross-stitching, car washing, gardening.
Okay, lastly, what are your message to your future employer?
For my future employer there in Hong Kong, if you will choose me, I'll do all my responsibilities and I promise to finish my 2 years contract there in Hong Kong and more. Thank you. Bye-bye.